Hey, do you want to earn $100 per day from the comfort of your home? Well, it's Michael Dela Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 work from home jobs that pays $100 per day and more. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. So 5 work from home jobs that pays $100 a day and more. And if by any chance this is your first time here and you're interested in making money online, affiliate marketing, online business, or anything that creates success online, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. That way, every time I upload a success video, you'll get notified. So let's go ahead and get to it because I'm really dedicated in helping people succeed online. And this is why this is what I do. This is what I have this platform here, and pretty much to help people succeed. So if this is you, you're in the right place. All right, so let me go ahead and get to it. So we're gonna go with the first work from home job, which is pretty much becoming a virtual assistant. So that's also known as a VA, and virtual assistants actually make more than $100, but it can range between $100 per day to up to like $30 an hour and more. So if you are a virtual assistant or been in the past, you have some experience, you can actually be banking because there's a lot of people out there that need really, that need help. So virtual assistants get paid, they get paid based on their tasks. So tasks includes the scheduling social media posts. You can do things like scheduling meetings. You can actually do research. So a lot of entrepreneurs, once they become highly successful, there's a certain task that they can no longer do themselves. So they hire, virtual assistants to do those heavy tasks because, they only want to, they want to focus on other things that they need to focus on to be more productive. So virtual assistants is really helpful, and the cool thing is that you can do this from the comfort of your home or from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. So you can do stuff like managing blogs, managing emails. A good website for this is called Time, etc. So I'm gonna leave a link to this website here, but the website is b virtual assistant timeetcetera.com. So I know that sounds kind of tricky, but I'll leave a link in the description. That way you can go here. But as you can see here, when you become a freelance virtual assistant with the world's leading virtual assistant company and do meaningful work, you can actually, you'll be helping a lot of people, right? You're going to be helping a lot of entrepreneurs. So right here, let me go down very quick. So you can see and if you go to the website to apply, you can enjoy the flexibility of working from home, no commute, no water cooler gossip or office politics. So if you don't want to do that office, environment, you can do it from the comfort of your home. You can actually feel fantastic, and this is why they actually love, they love providing this type of assistance to people, because you can rediscover your purpose and be rewarded with interesting, meaningful work every day. So you're gonna feel purposeful that you're doing, you're contributing and making the world a better place. You're making a difference too. So if you have your skills and experience appreciated. So if you have skills on helping others, helping people, assisting people, then you're gonna be appreciated here. And what they love, putting people first. So put your skills to great use, helping those who need them. All right. So that's one of those slogans they go with. So let's go ahead and click apply here to see what they're looking for. That way you can be more informed, but you can always click on the link after this video and take a look at it for yourself. So they're looking for general administration. They're looking for document work, including formatting and typing. They're looking for travel arrangements. They need help with that. They're looking for people that can help with schedule management. So, setting up schedule. You can schedule, blog posts or scheduling social media posts, etc. They need help, they need help with arranging meetings and appointments. So you can help entrepreneurs, get to their meetings on time, or help them know what, organize their day pretty much, right? That's what virtual assistants do. They need help with making phone calls, or sorting expenses. So things that have to do with customer service. Maybe they need help with taking care of their customers, right? So they hire virtual assistants to take care of their customers. You can also be a marketing and social media assistant, meaning you can again create posts, like you can create tweets, you can do blogging, you can do content marketing, things that really creates engagement with that, with that company's audience. So there's a lot of things here. You can be a writing assistant. So if all you want to focus on writing, then you can, get paid for writing articles. You can get paid for blogging, general copywriting, to maybe create sales copy for companies. You can do proofreading, you can do simple things like proofreading. So correct grammar and all that good stuff. So things that, if you're good at this, you can pretty much make money. And I'm pretty sure it's more than $100, at least $100 per day or more that you can make in this job. So I'll leave a link with that. That's timeetcetera.com. So becoming a virtual assistant is a good way to make money. Okay, let's go to work from home job number 2. All right, and all of them, they're going to be a little repetitive. It's just that some of the jobs, it's just, being more specific on one thing. So this one is freelance writing. That's the next one. Freelance writing. You pretty much writing general content. So you're helping entrepreneurs create content for for their websites. So those companies and people out there that have websites that maybe they don't have the time to really create content to us, so they'll hire people to do that on their behalf. So when entrepreneurs become more successful, there's tasks that they can no longer do themselves, so they outsource it to virtual assistant. That could be you or a freelance writer. So if they need people to write the content for them, they can hire somebody. So you can be this person, you can get paid $100 per day or more, which I'm pretty sure that skill pays, way more than that. So you can do blogging, so you can create engaging blog, for that person's, readers. You can start writing social media posts, so you can help brands connect to their audience and pretty much fill their social media accounts by creating interesting social media posts. So that's stuff that we do nowadays anyway. So if you're good at creating posts that people engage with, you can help other companies or individuals out there create them, right? You can do copywriting, so help companies have successful sales copy. That way they can stay more competitive in the marketplace. All right, so let's go ahead and go to this website here that you can apply. So you can get paid to write. So this website is writers.work. And so Writers Work is a good website to go to. And as you can see, they paid $20 to $65 an hour. The type of job they're looking for is general content. Website needs content, as I was, explaining to you, and people need other people or, writers to write content for their website. So you can write for some of the biggest brands and fill their help, sections. You can do, you can actually write their landing pages. You can provide proofreading or editing services. All right. You can do blogging. So writing interesting blogs for brands all over the country. You can blog about the topics that interest you most and get paid for that. And you can do copywriting as well. So in order for companies to compete, they need to have top-notch sales copy, and they will train you as well. You can do social media posts. So you can help brands fill their social media accounts, and you can see there's people already applying for this, so they're signing up for it. Their requirements is pretty much you must be 18 years old, or older. You need to have a reliable internet connection. You need excellent customer service. That you need to be willing to do great work for great pay. So again, freelance writers can earn anywhere from $20 to $65 an hour. So 5 hours, if you pay $20 an hour, 5 hours will get you to $100 and even more, right? There might be some bonuses in there. So pay varies depending on skill level. They will provide you with the training. You need to become one of the top earning writers on the web. So they'll give you the training in order for you to become one of the top writers on the web. So this is a really good place to to check out and get paid to write. You can set your own hours, and again, you can work from anywhere, even the comfort of your home. Okay, so that's website work from home job number 2. Work from home job number 3 is pretty much selling online courses. So this actually, if you have useful knowledge in your mind or in your brain that helps people, you can actually create a product or a course in your chosen niche. Let's say you're passionate about weight loss or fitness, or you're passionate about dogs, so you have knowledge on training dogs and things like that. You can create a product one time and sell those products online on different type of platforms and get paid for it. And one of the website I recommend here is called Udemy. And if you go to udemy.com, you can check this out here where it says teach on Udemy, and you can turn what you know into an opportunity and reach millions around the world. So you can put that product in this network here and you can reach millions of people around the world. And again, you only created that product or course one time, and you can be selling that over and over again. And this company right here at Udemy, they'll sell the products on your behalf. So all you have to do is just post your course and they'll do the marketing for you. Okay, so this is so cool. And then they'll get, you get paid. Okay, so that's another way to, that you can actually work from the comfort of your home, is by selling online courses. Okay, there's other websites, but this is one that I highly recommend. All right, so that was a product work from home job number 3, selling online courses. Work from home job number 4 is pretty much becoming a social media manager, right? So again, you can handle people's social media accounts and pretty much helping them fill up their social media account. This website here called Indeed.com, you can find jobs, and as you can see, a social media manager, this company right here, MMA Global, and who actually hires people, and you can do it remotely, pays $65,000 to $80,000 a year. Okay, so you can get paid anywhere from that. If you take the minimum 65,000 and you divide it by, let's say, 12 months, that's over 5K a month. And if you divide that by a day, by 30 days, the 5K a day, that's over 166 dollars per day. So that, they pay pretty well. So you can, check out this website here. You can get paid by simply creating blog posts. You can go in here and see what they're actually looking for, and if you are a good fit, go ahead and apply. It wouldn't hurt to get paid for the skills that you already have. And again, if you don't have any of the skills yourself, if you keep watching, at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually get trained to be skillful at all of this, different categories here that you can, pretty much work from home and get paid. Okay. You're not going to need, there's no degree required. You got to, you can actually go in there's different people hiring out there, different companies that are not going to require you to have a degree, but you can learn these skills and you can actually learn how to apply that and help, companies and get paid for it. There's another one called Life Marketing. So they are really looking for people that have broad understanding of social media platforms. So again, Indeed.com, I'll leave a link to this, to this website here where you can find jobs. You can do it from the comfort of your home. Anything that says remote is that they can do it from, you can do it from the comfort of your home. This company right here, MMA Global, they're looking, urgently hiring. So you can, take a look at it as the time you're watching this video. And again, get paid for handling people's social media accounts. Okay. Now, work from home job number 5. So that's becoming a graphic designer. Okay, so you can get paid a lot of money for being a graphic designer. So if you like doing like WordPress blogs and you like designing, making it look, making website look pretty, you know how to do. If you know how to do coding, or you don't know how to do coding, all you know how to do is pretty much use plugins and themes like that. If you're familiar with that, you can get paid. You can find people that are gonna pay you for you to pretty much design, either their website, design their logo. There's companies hiring for different tasks, and a good website you can go to is called Dribble. So you can find full-time jobs here that will pay you. That will hire you to do a certain, type of task. And these are companies hiring. You can see there's full-time on here. If you look at view job, you can see what they're looking for. So let's click on this one right here. So they're looking to grow their team at chopdog.com and bring on passionate full-time UI or UX designer that can help them handcraft some beautifully designed web and mobile applications. Okay, so this is a client-facing role at an app development agency. So they want people with attention to detail, great customer service and communication skills. They are an absolute must. So if you have this type of qualifications, you can go here and apply. Here are the essential duties that they're asking for. So you must be proficient with one of the major user interface designing software, Sketch, Photoshop, or Illustrator. So you must be proficient in using that. You also must have experience working with team members and partners remotely in the past. So you can do this from the comfort of your home, but they're looking for people that are team players, right? So you're gonna work with a team to pretty much achieve a common goal, right? So right here, you can learn more about it. So you can go, going back here, you can actually look through these job descriptions, and you can, again, you can do this from the comfort of your home. If you don't want to like get hired, you don't want to become an employee, they also have freelance projects here. So if you just want to be an independent contractor, you just want to do, per project basis, people here post stuff that they need help with. So you're gonna find people that need website redesign. Some people need website remake. Some people need some branding. Some people need. There's gonna be people posting they need help with creating a logo, etc. So they'll tell you their budget, what they have in hand, and then you can like message them and come up with the with the price for the type of work you're gonna do for them. So that's their budget, 50 to 1K. They'll list their budget on here, and you can do that. So dribble.com, I'll leave a link to the in the description. That's actually where you can go and pretty much get paid $100 per day and more, from the comfort of your home. So those are the 5 work from home jobs that I have for you that pays $100 per day and more. Another way that you can get paid from the comfort of your home is through an online business. And I highly recommend that because through an online business, you can pretty much write your own paychecks. So there's no limitation how much you can earn. You can set your own hours, and you can be your own boss. So you're only responding to yourself. So I highly recommend an online business for that reason, and you will have all the freedom and flexibility to do the things that you enjoy doing. And again, you can do it from the comfort of your home. And if you would like to know what is my #1 recommendation for starting a profitable online business, check out that first link in the description and get access to the details. You have the right training, you have the right environment to learn from, and you have the right people to teach you the right things. And also you have an online business already set up for you within 2 weeks or less. So if you're interested in that, check out that link below. Other than that, thank you for tuning in. I hope you got a lot of value, and if you did, make sure you hit like and leave me your comments. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video.